What up, tubers? This is Ray from Rayware Computers. Since 1996, got my new website going, rwcweb.com. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Okay, teach a lot of tricks of the trade. Got my new YouTube channel. Hope you've been getting a lot of use out of my videos. Only been about 4 weeks now. Going pretty good, getting some views. Okay, if you don't mind liking and subscribing, click that notification bell. That'd be great too. Alright, what I'd like to do today is I'd like to take this private label rights instant mobile video site. Okay, this is going to be part 3 of this series now. What I did was I pre-formatted some stuff. Okay, pre-formatted some stuff here. Let me do this like this. Okay, which I already had from doing it. Once you do it once, you save all this information. Okay, but what I'd like to do is actually show you how quick and easy it really is. Okay, what I'm going to do, I logged into my Bluehost on the domains. I'm going to use my woodworking niche site to add a subdomain. You can put it in a folder if you like, but these particular ones I'm going to put it out to my email list, so it looks a little better going out to them, in a subdomain. Not that anybody cares, it's just the way it is. Alright, so I'm going to time it. I'm going to start doing it now. And this is going to be approximate. Again, I got this pre-formatted. I already logged in to my Bluehost and my reseller rights account. Okay, so however long that takes, we'll take it off the clock. Okay, and here we go. Okay, so let's download the file. Oh, and I already made a directory. Okay, cc wood. Okay, that's the zip file, right? Okay, then we're just going to go take it and we're going to unzip it, extract all, let that go. Been working my computer today, boy. Okay, so here's the file. There's the software. We're not going to need the website or anything. Okay, now what we do need to do is let's open this up. We're going to actually do it from here. Okay, open it up. It's going to give us this affiliate link. Okay, we're going to go here. Now we have to download this zip file here, save as. Okay, and it's going to be right in that directory. Okay, and so let me see where that takes me. I actually forgot about that for a second. Okay, unzip these standard templates into a folder on your PC. Okay, so let's go back and unzip that file as well. Okay, extract all. Okay, so there it is. It's got the templates in it. Never really looked at them. Oh, neat. Amazon button. Oh, very cool. Okay, now let me stop wasting time. Alrighty, back at the ranch. So we're going to go here, right? And we're going to go here. Whoops. Here. Alrighty. And let's get to work. Okay, so the folder. Let's see, desktop, right? CC Wood. And we're going to upload site. That's where the files. Oh, it's looking for the template. I'm sorry. Boop, 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 boop. Rushing through. Okay. So found a template. Now, site name. Did I even record the site name? Yeah, sure did. Let's see, woodworking, copy, paste, okay. So we're going to add text thing. Okay, we're going to add our own text title there. Alright, which I got here with my, sorry, I've got some background noise in this office. I'm on a city street here. This is my ClickBank affiliate. Okay, that's the text ad that's going to be on the right sidebar. Okay, step-by-step instructions. Alright, this is going to be the button text right there. And my affiliate link, my AML.com. Okay, so that's in there. We don't need anything here. If you wanted to do a fancy ad there, you could certainly do that. Okay. Let's see, my Amazon affiliate. No, wait, where are we? I'm trying to just go. Amazon ID is this one. Okay. And if you get all these things, if you don't get it all formatted, it's just going to take you a little bit longer. Now, we wanted to search the domain, and we want videos. When you put in the Amazon, excuse me, the AdSense thing, whatever it feeds off of, you want it to be relevant. You want it to be with videos. Okay. Okay, and these unit code, we can add a fancy banner and stuff, but I haven't gone over that yet. Okay, now we're missing this Amazon search. So let's see, woodworking plants. Now what happens is it's going to create 3 buttons. You got to keep this format, okay, like this. Okay, 3 buttons. Not sure if it'll make 4. Never tried it. Don't want to mess with it now because we're on a timer. Okay. By the way, 5 minutes. Not bad. Okay. Okay, Google Analytics. We don't need it. Assets folder. We don't need it. Let's just give it a quick check. Everything's in place. Looks to be good. Now watch this. Okay. Now we're going to go to our upload site. Oh. Now in this one, it's not like the other one where you have to, let's see how it came out. Planning to build a shed, woodworking tools. Let's do that one. There's a woodworking tool, woodworking plans. Let's see where that search came. Oh man, nice, very nice. And DIY woodworking, DIY. Do-it-yourself woodworking. Freaking phenomenal. Okay. Okay. So again, let's see what's going on. 6 minutes into it now. Okay. So now we can't see the other ads because it's PHP. So we got to load it up to the site. Okay. So let's go back over here. We're going to Bluehost. Okay. We're going to add a subdomain, and it's going to be, what was that, CNC? CNC, right? Want to make it, alright, we'll do CNC. Okay, just to keep it short, because my URL for my domain is gigantic, okay? So, and I like to use everything in, lowercase, okay? Just makes it simpler. Alrighty. Alright, now I'm fighting against my internet all day today, and that was created. Alright, Raymond, you did it. Okay, so now from here, we're going to go to Advanced. Okay. And we're going to go to File Manager. We're going to get into the folder where we need to be. Okay. So let's shrink-y-dink down this way so I can see what the hell's going on. Public. So we're just going to look for the CNC. Alright, never mind. Alright, so that's good there. So now let's go back to the folder where everything was at, okay? Now, here's what we got to do. We got to go to Edit, select all, okay? And we're going to File, Send to, Compress File, right? There it is. Okay. Now we're going to go back to the website again, Bluehost. Doesn't matter if you would have did that first. Select the file, okay. I think it's this one. No, CC Woodworking. Woodworking site. Yeah, CC Woodworking, right? Is that where that's at? You double check. Yes, CC Woodworking. Upload site. Okay, we're going to take up the zip file. You know it by its icon, okay? And it says compressed over here. You see that? Okay, compressed zip file. So that's the file. It's going right to my website. Not too big. Okay, here we go. Click on the file. You could either right click and extract or hit the extract button up here somewhere. Okay, extract all the files. Okay, now the zip folder itself, we're going to want to get rid of. Okay, right there, make sure you're only deleting the zip file. Okay, that's that. And here we have it. Let's see. CNC get free plans. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. Put that URL in there correctly, see what's going on with her. And bada boom. Okay, biggie wiggy. Wow. Now this is how it'll look on a mobile site. Gotta remember it's designed for mobile, so it's gonna look like this on but that looks pretty good. Okay. And we can go to the official time. See that? Planning to build a shed. Let me get the size right. Okay, there we go. That's pretty. Hey. Desktop timer. Under 15 minutes. There it is. Okay. Is that awesome? In under 15 minutes. Made that site. And we already tested these links. We know they're working fantastic.
Let's have a look at using a CNC router to make wooden signs.
Look at that, eh?
Mill brass.
Computer technology, CNC.
Polycarbonate, engrave granite, and cut builder's frame.
Pretty cool.
Before getting started, be sure to check the RPM.
Pretty cool. Now you see this site is a little bit different than the other site. Okay, this is a 2020 site. Okay, that I got from the reseller rights. Okay, fantastic stuff here, gang. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna do. How about Word? Whoops. Woodworking ideas. Boom. Okay. Now you see what it does. Now this is my AdSense. So when somebody does that, I get like a nickel for it or something, whatever the going rate on AdSense is now. Which is fine. AdSense, don't get me wrong. Google's the master. I love them. Okay. And it's funny because and back in the day, and AOL needed a browser, and they got it from Microsoft. But Google is the shizzle, man. Okay, so it doesn't keep you on the site. It takes you to YouTube, but that's so okay. Why should you not be okay, because what happens is when people come and they, click on that and they do that search, you're going to get paid anyway, so why squabble, right? This is a fantastic niche. Now, what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to go and take this and I'm going to write up an email blast, and by tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. it's going to be going to my email list. Huh? Pretty cool? Pretty cool. So, that's how you do it. You see it here? This is no BS, gang. I didn't stop the clock. I would say I would knock off probably, maybe add another 5 minutes. I mean, for me to just go get this file and find this file, because I had this file pre-formatted, okay, and I just copied and pasted it into here. It's, you know, in other words, I have all my notes that I take for everything, and it was all in separate places. So, but definitely, without a doubt, you can certainly do it. I mean, what it would have maybe taken me 20 minutes instead of 14 minutes, okay? But ultimately, it took me less than 15 minutes, and I've got a site here, okay? Now, it's saying it's not secure, but that's just how my site's secure. Okay, so it shouldn't be. There you go. There you go. We like things perfect, okay? Which is a bad thing if you're an affiliate marketer, because if you get too picky on stuff, okay. Now this search criteria, you know, if you got a legitimate domain name on it, you know, like man, I could use this for my get free woodworking plans. Just make it my video slate, huh? Not like having an email list, though, okay? Alright, 3. See how far we keep going here. Oh, you gotta love the lathe. Alright, so we're seeing stuff. Okay, so you go 4 pages, and then it goes. Alright. So, less than 15 minutes. How about that? This is Ray from Rayware Computers since 1996. Old DOS Geek, okay? Doing affiliate landing pages, bridge pages, sales pages, lead magnets, lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, okay? Now, don't you get discouraged. I want you to like and subscribe if you don't mind, okay? You want to go to my website, rwcweb.com. Chuck me your email in that box right there, okay? And I'll take a lot of your pain away, believe me, because I know this is rough. It can be rough, you know, gets on you. You want to have a good life, staying at home, making decent money, not doing what you're doing. I completely understand, okay? In my life, I've had a couple of positions that I didn't really like, okay? But you know what? I did something to get out of it. So I'm here to help, all right? Again, like and subscribe. Don't let Charlie scare you. Alright? Take care.